Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to check status of your Destiny credit card. To do this, first you'll have to go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Google Chrome for now. Then on the top URL box, you may go and then type in www.destinycard.com and then press enter. This will take you directly to their website. Now, to check status of your card, you will have to first make sure that you have an account. If you don't have an account yet, then you will be unable to do so. In any case, if you don't have an account, you can still get started or register an account by clicking on the Get Started button highlighted in orange. Once you click on that, you can enter your details, follow the prompts, and then create an account. However, if you do have an account, you can go and log into it by clicking on the My Account button at the right. Once you click on that, then a new tab opens up to your login portal. Here, you'll have to enter your login credentials. On the first text box, you will have to type down your username. Then on the second, you'll have to type down your password. In any case, if you forget your username or password, you may just click on the Forgot Your Username or Password link right above the View Agreements link. You can click on the View Agreements link if you want to view the agreements of Destiny. Now, right above the Forgot Your Username or Password link, you can see Register Your Account link. You can click on this link to register for a new account. Now, once you make sure you filled in all your details correctly, then you may just click on your login button. Once you click on the login button, you will be able to check status of Destiny credit card, as here you can look at all the information of your credit card. Now, another method to check status of your credit card is to go back to the home page. Once you're in the home page, then at the top, right beside the Get Started button, you can see the Customer Service button. Once you click on that, a bar opens up where you are given two choices to either click on FAQs or credit terminology. Here, you'll have to click on FAQ option. Once you click on that option, then on the left side of your screen, you can see that you're given various options. Here at the end of the list, you can see Contacting Us option. You can click on the Contacting Us option, and then right under Contacting Us, you can see How Can I Contact Destiny Customer Service option. You may click on that option, and then here you can see that you're given the address and the customer service number. You may just copy the customer service number and then call them. Once you call them, you can ask them about your status. This is how you can easily check status of your Destiny credit card. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.